Now I'm going to show how the history quality of service works. I'm going to start a system with the discovery service and a few brokers. And now I'm going to start a subscriber where it subscribes to 9 topics, and then it requires 5 pieces of data for its history with this HQ parameter. Okay, and once the subscriber was created, then it initialized an empty CSV file where the topics that it received will be stored. So if you remember from last time, then I have it so that the ownership strength is assigned where the earlier publishers that come get the higher priority for ownership strength. Now here, I'm starting the publisher where history quality of service is only 1. Now, because it has a lower history quality of service, then this subscriber should not receive any topics since it requires 5, but is only receiving 1 for history. And if you look here, then the CSV file is still empty, so it's doing what it's supposed to be doing, which is not receiving anything from that publisher. And now I'm going to start another publisher where the history quality of service is 5. And we can see here now that we're receiving topic data from this publisher. So even though the ownership strength was lower, the subscriber matched this publisher for the topics because the history quality of service matched while it didn't for the other one. And here I'm going to take a deeper dive into the CSV file that was outputted by the subscriber, just so we can see how the history is disseminated. So let's say we filter this by one of the topics that the subscriber subscribed to, such as temperature. So we can see here that the first topic was output with where the data was equal to -16. And at that time, there wasn't any previous history, so it only outputted that one topic that it had. And then here on the second set of dissemination, we can see that there's it outputted the new topic, which was the 71, and the old topic of 16. And then here, we added a third topic, which was when temperature was -57. Here there's a fourth topic of 97 degrees. Then here was the fifth topic, which was also 97 degrees here. And finally, on this iteration, we can see that a new topic with temperature 28 was created. And given now that the history queue would have overflowed, then we've gotten rid of the oldest topic, which was -16. And now it only holds the 5 most recent, starting with this 71 degree piece of data from before. So now I'm going to show another case, which is what happens when 2 publishers have the same history quality of service. First, I'm going to start up the discovery service and the brokers. And here I'm starting a subscriber that wants 5 pieces of data for the history. Now I'm going to start 2 publishers where the history quality of service is 5. And as before, then ownership strength priority is given to publishers that start first. And that's why when we look at the CSV data, then publisher 1 has priority for topics that has in common with both, that has in common with publisher 2. Now, in the final case, I'm going to show what happens when the history quality of service for a publisher for what it provides is greater than what the subscriber asks for. So I started up the discovery service and the brokers, and the subscriber has history quality of service rather, of 5. And now I'm going to start the publisher, where I give it 10 to the history quality of service requirement. And if you go to the new CSV file that's been created by the subscriber, and we can see that it is receiving topic data from this publisher, and which makes sense because the publisher is providing more than what the subscriber asked for, which means that the subscriber is free to connect to it.